Hey, there we go. Ready? This is the best we're gonna get. I'm gonna try and do flies like this. And I won't be able to put the camera out here, but I'm gonna try and see how much I can get. Let's try it. A little bit of flies. What do we got? I think we're gonna put more weight. And I'm gonna put weight on this one and we'll do it. That's the last one. Let's get her going. All right. Nice and tight. There we go. Whew. Okay, there's your chest. Just doing flies. It's hard though. It's really hard up here to do them. And as you go up off here, it's really hard to try and hit them. Yeah, it's hard.